Okay, so we're at Fisherman's Wharf. This is kind of the main strip. Down that way is the Coliseum. Over there is Rio. And over here is a pretty cool cartridge. And there's some waterways that we're gonna walk as well. So Macau's Fisherman's Wharf. We're just gonna zoom in on that right there. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. There. We're gonna walk down a little bit and we're gonna show you some of the waterfront, but also some of the cool looking buildings. All these buildings are basically fake, by the way. It's like facades, which is too bad because they could have built some really nice buildings and had it be like completely habitable. But yeah, actually if you go up there, there's this like kind of fakeness to it. It's a pretty cool shot right there. So what we're gonna do is walk into this. Let me see, RD. So now you can see some of the water, and there's a bridge straight ahead, and some places where people will have dinner in a very nice location. So we're just gonna walk through this, and yeah, look how beautiful that scenery is. Like this, looks like there are some outdoor seatings up there. And these tables are beautiful, especially at this time with the sunset. Wow. Actually, this is really nice. Sometimes I wish that these buildings, usually the first floor is kind of used with businesses, but they're quite overpriced. Understandably so, because it's such a nice looking place. But on the downside is like a lot of the second floor, third floor, fourth floor stuff is just like storage. It's not really. It's like this stuff right here. So if you take a look at this, they just kind of like use it for like storage stuff. It's hard, I don't know if you can see it in the windows, but I can see it better than through the camera eyes. So just gonna walk through. And this one is more of an Amsterdam-ish one. I think that colorful one may be Miami, maybe a Miami theme. And this would be, yeah, this is the Amsterdam one. There's some statues that were here before, but they're not here now. Yeah, pretty cool looking buildings though. It's like too bad they weren't like really used. It'd be amazing. They could have little shops that go up and down. This is Brazilian cuisine. Nice colors right there. Steak, because it's Brazilian cuisine, there's a lot of beef there. And this one over here is a New Orleans one. This one I think is just so beautiful. And it's just like kind of unfortunate that it can't be, that you can't actually have real stuff up on the second floor. Yeah, look how beautiful that is. So you have that colorful one and this colorful one. And they also put the lanterns there. And it's like, oh man, if those doors were all open and things were going on in there, it would be amazing. But they're just facades, just like empty facades, fake doors. You can't actually use them, you can't actually open them. It's like, oh man, if you would have just built these properly, it would have been amazing. Because right now it's so beautiful. Yeah, look how beautiful that is. And this is really photogenic, so this is a great place to take any kind of photo and have this beautiful background. It's more photogenic than practical. But on the other hand, you have these beautiful places to eat too though, so it's not like it's not terrible by any means, but it's just like, wow, if they just put like proper buildings in here, just like they would anywhere else. It'd be incredible. Yeah, all these tables and chairs, carpets, they get rolled out. Beautiful trees. There's an outside bar. You can sit around this bar. I never really see it used though, but it should be. Maybe it is. I don't really come down here at nighttime at all. But D2 is a famous club. There's a couple clubs in here. Oh, there's a duck. Let's see what this duck is all about. Looks like the duck that was floating everywhere in Asia. So okay, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna fade out of this space. We'll end here at the Flamingo Casino.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.